Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change Snapchat ringtone. So to do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application first. So once you are there, as you can see, I'm in my Bitmoji. And here in the Snapchat Plus option, the feature is you can just change your notification sound. As you can see, custom notification sounds, including your ringtone. So if you just make your Snapchat normal to Snapchat Plus, you can get these custom offers that they are giving you, including custom notification and ringtone sounds. So make sure you just do that. And once you do that, as you can see in here, custom ringtone sounds, and you will only get them in the Snapchat Plus feature. So after getting Snapchat Plus feature, you have to do is open your Snapchat and navigate to the chat section. And after select a specific conversation, either a single friend or a group, and then press and hold on their name or group name. And a menu will appear. Tap on the chat settings option. And within the chat settings, you will find an option for notification sounds. Select the desired sound from available options and confirm your selection by tapping Set Notification Sound. So within this way, you can just change your Snapchat ringtone. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.